is fine. I guess we could pretend we didn't cross a line. But ever since that day, everything has changed. The way I write your name, the cursive letter A. Whenever it may be that you go on your way, if you really wanna leave it, I'll never make you stay. Whenever you decide, I will understand it, and it will all be fine. Just go back to being friends. And love is a kaleidoscope. How it works we'll never know. And if at all the change is somehow all the same, and turning to the left and right, colors shining in your eyes. And if it upside down, it's beautiful somehow. It's never just a shape alone. Love is a kaleidoscope. And if you ever find someone who could write a better song for you, well, I'd love to see them try. Put it all in words and sing it all in tune. There's no one else who could. The only one is you. And if you change your mind, I will understand. And it'll just take time to go back to being friends. And love is a kaleidoscope. How it works we'll never know. And if at all the change is somehow all the same, and turning to the left and right, colors shining in your eyes. And if it upside down is beautiful somehow, every color of the rainbow, don't be afraid to hold it close. It's never just a shape alone. Love is